Hello, good morning all. How are you today? Yes, we all are happy today, isn't it? Yes, we are happy today. Is anyone sad? No, I don't think so. Is there anyone sad? No. Okay, very good. Then today is our English class, isn't it? Yes, today is our English class. And we know we started the lesson two ants. Isn't it? We started our lesson two ants. And not only we started, we have completed some part. What did we see in the lesson? Yes, we saw two ants. The friends. They are friends. Yes. Yes, they are friends. And how many ants are there? Two. What are their names? Do you remember? Yes, their names are Ben and Sen. Don't remember? Look at Ben and Sen. Now did you get it? Yes, they are Ben and Sen. Big ant is Ben, small ant is Sen. Yes, very good. So, now we told that about Ben and Sen, and the last class we studied, they are going out to play. Isn't it? They are friends. They are going out to play. But we didn't know where are they going. Isn't it? We didn't know where they are going to play. So, in today's class, we will study where they are going to play. We should know, isn't it? Yes, we want to know where are they going to play. Yes, okay. Then shall we see where they are going to play? Are you ready? Yes. Come on, let's see where they are going to play. Yes, the ants reach a park. Ah, a swing, says Sen. Let's sit on the swing, says Ben. Ben and Sen sit on the swing. The swing moves back and forth and they see a seesaw. Yes, they reached in a park. They are swinging. Okay, they are going to swing. Yes. Now we read the chapter, isn't it? Where did they go? Yes, you're right. They went to a park. Yes, they went to a park. Did you all go to a park? Yes, I think almost all of you have gone to a park, isn't it? Why do we go to a park? Can anyone say? Yes, why do we go to the park? It's simple, we go to play, isn't it? We go to play in a park. What all will be there in a park? What all will be there? Yes, we saw in the chapter our Sen saw a swing, isn't it? They saw a swing. Don't you remember? A swing. Yes, we saw it in the lesson, isn't it? Yeah, they go to a park and our Sen sees a swing. He says, ah, there is a swing. Yes, then what does our Ben say? Yes, shall we sit on the swing? Yes, our ants sit on the swing. And how do they move? They move back and forth. Isn't it? They move back and forth. What does it mean, back and forth? Back and forth means to back and front. Okay. How does the swing move? To back and front. Yes. Do you know what is a swing? Yes, we know. See the picture of a swing. Yes, this is a swing. I know everyone has swang in it, isn't it? Yes, everyone has swang in it. Yes, okay. Then next they see something else. What do they see? Yeah, our senses. There is a seesaw. Then our Ben says, shall we sit in a seesaw? What is a seesaw? Yes, I'll say what is a seesaw. Look at the picture. Yes, this is a seesaw. We all know and we have played in a seesaw, isn't it? How does it go? Up and down, isn't it? Up and down. A seesaw goes up and down. Okay, how does a seesaw be? Look at the picture. Yes, this is a seesaw. One person sits this side and the other person sits this side. And it goes up and down, isn't it? Yes, very interesting. It's very nice to play. Yes, I like to play in a seesaw. Also wag in a swing. Okay. Yes, now we saw a seesaw and a swing. Then, shall we go to a park? Are you happy to go to see a park? Yes, we all know about a park. Then, we shall see a small park. Okay. Yes. Then, come with me. Are you ready? Yes, come on everyone. We shall go to a park.
Now it's the time for me to sing. I'm swaying up and down the swing. Laugh and play all through the park, for there is time till it gets. Now it's the time for me to sing. I'm swaying up and down the swing. Laugh and play all through the park, for there is time till it gets. Now it's the time for me to sing. I'm swaying up and down the swing. Laugh and play all through the park, for there is time till it gets.
Now, we are going to see our next page. You all have enjoyed seeing a swing in a park, isn't it? Yes, we saw a swing in a park. Then, shall we see the next portion of our lesson? Next, where did they go? Shall we see? Yes, come, let's see. What did they see next? Yes. Then, now we saw our next portion, isn't it? We saw the next page. Where did the ants go after seeing a swing? Yes, you're right. They saw a seesaw. Okay. Our Sen says, there is a seesaw. Our Ben says, shall we sit on it? Okay. Then our ants both sit on the two sides. Ben sit on one side of a seesaw and Sen sit on the other side. And how does a seesaw goes? Yes, we told it. Up and down. Up and down. Yes, our ants are enjoying going up and down. Okay. Yes, they are enjoying going up and down. Yes, we saw a seesaw in our class, isn't it? Yes. Then shall we go to a park where there is seesaw? Are you ready? Come on.
In a perfect beat, we all like to hop, hop, hop. Rocker is all fun, fun, fun. Let us sit in the seat, seat, seat. Up and down in a beat, beat, beat.
Yes. Now we went to a park. We played in the swing. We played in a seesaw. Isn't it? Are you all happy? Yes, did you like our park? Yes, you all liked our park. We enjoyed it, isn't it? Yes. Now, it's time to wind up our class. Shall we see our pages, lessons once more? There are some questions to complete. Look at the picture. What do you see in the first questions? Can you read it? Yes, look at the picture. What are the questions? Yeah, the first question is, where do Ben and Sen reach? Where do Ben and Sen reach? Yes, correct. They reach in a park. They reach in a park. Next question. What do they see there? What do they see there? Yes, a swing. They saw a swing first. What does Sen say? And what does Ben say the time? First Sen says, a swing. Then our Ben says, let's sit on the swing. Isn't it? Yes, that's the thing what they say. Now, can you say the next question's answer? How does a swing move? How does it move? Yes, you're right. It moves back and forth. It moves back and forth. Okay. Next question is, have you visited a park? Yes. Have you visited a park? Yes, you all should answer me. Okay. Have you visited a park? Yes, I think you all have visited a park. Okay then. The next question is, what have you seen there? When you visited the park, what all did you see there? Yes, you saw a swing, seesaw, merry-go-round, ladder, isn't it? Yes, we saw many other things in the park. Okay. Yes, now we completed the first page questions. Now we shall look at the second page questions. Okay. Yes, it is also so easy to answer. Just look. Look at the page. What are the questions here? Can you read? Yes, read the first question. Yes, what do Ben and Sen see? In the second page, or secondly, what did they see after the swing? Yes, they saw a seesaw. They saw a seesaw. What does Sen say? And what does Ben say when they see a seesaw? Yes, our Sen says, there is a seesaw. Then our Ben says, let's sit on a seesaw. Isn't it? Yes, that's what they say. Let's sit on a seesaw. What does Ben do? And what does Sen do in a seesaw? Yes, our Ben sits on one side and our Sen sits on the other side. Yes, it's very simple, isn't it? How have you seen a seesaw? Have you seen a seesaw? Yes, we all have seen a seesaw and we also have played it. Up and down, isn't it? Yes, we all saw a seesaw also. Then the last question is, how does a seesaw move? How does it move? Yes, we know. How does it move? Up and down, isn't it? Yes, very good. It moves up and down. Okay, now we completed our question sections, isn't it? We completed all our question answers. Yes, now this is for today's class. We shall wind up our classes. Okay? Yes, very good. I think so. You all have understood our lesson 2 ants. Okay. Then today we shall learn a new sentence in English. I think you didn't forget. Did you forget? Yes, we have a English sentence section, isn't it? We are studying daily one sentence. Then shall we see what is today's sentence? Yes. Today we shall study to call everyone to eat food. Okay. അതായത് എല്ലാവരും ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാൻ ഒരുമിച്ചാണല്ലേ ഇരിക്കാറ്. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരും വിളിക്കുകയാണ്. How can we call them? Yes, come on. Come everybody. Let's eat our food. Okay. Come on. Let's eat our food. How? Let's eat our food. Okay. Yes. Today's sentence is this. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാം എന്നാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം. Okay. It is the meaning. Yes, very good. I think so. You all have understood our today's class very well. Okay. Then until seeing you people in the next class. See you.